I got some jewelry in the mail, so I'd like to show you. One reason because I've been getting requests for smaller size rings and bracelets, so that is included in this haul. So I wanted to show you for those requests. Basically, I separated it. All this stuff will be available for my live jewelry auction at the end of the month, and then these items will be available this upcoming Monday for my jewelry sale video at 4 p.m. Eastern. Okay, quickly, let's go over this. It's all sterling. This is a really cool, like, artisan-made sterling cuff. It can be, you know, polished up more than this. These are really pretty turquoise and sterling little dangle heart earrings. This is a really old Polish amber ring. I can give you sizes on the rings. This one is, I would say, like a 9.5, maybe 9 3/4. These are beautiful Larimar and CZ earrings, little dangly bits. So pretty. This actually tested as quartz. So Aurora Borealis coated quartz and sterling. And this one, I would say it's probably a 9. You don't want to really push it too hard, and it is a little bit thicker of a band. So these will be available Monday, this upcoming Monday. And then this will be all available. I have it scheduled for the end of the month, Tuesday, June 30th. So this, I think, is an actual set. But, of course, you don't have to buy it as such. This is Taxco, all Taxco and sterling. I'm not sure what the stone is. Of course, I want to think that it's turquoise, but I'm going to look into it. There is a little crack in the side over here, but I don't think it really is that big of a deal. We can check the measurement on this one. This is 7 1/4 inches. We've got a beautiful sterling cross. I cleaned all the jewelry, so it's still a little wet. Just got to get a chain for that. I'll do the little pieces after. This is actually Silpata sterling, and the smallest size is 6 1/4 inches, and I believe it goes to 7 inches, so 6 1/4 to 7 inches, all sterling, Silpata. So that's one of my smaller bracelets. This is a beautiful double turquoise, so you got green and blue turquoise sterling bracelet. This one is 7 inches. Then we've got, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This will be great if you want to get it engraved. Otherwise, you can just leave it as is. But look at the beautiful etching on this. I did not polish this because I think it looks really beautiful. And the 925 is there. I think it looks really beautiful, like tarnished like this. So polishing it is up to you. Okay, so then this one is blue sapphire and clear topaz. This one's a little bit bigger. This one is a 9 1/2. This is amber, honey, cognac, and green amber, size 7. This is amethyst and CZ. So you got the purple amethyst and the pink CZ. This is a size 7. This is one of the smaller bracelets that I got. It is by My Lore, Italy. It's got hearts on it, really beautiful, all sterling, nice and chunky. And this one is 6¼ inches. So that's a smaller size. And then the smaller size rings. So this is all CZ and sterling, pink and clear, size 5. This one is amber and sterling, size 4½. This one is coral and sterling, size 5. I would even say size 4 3/4, just so it's not too tight on your finger. And then you've got this little teeny guy. This is blister pearl, and it is teeny tiny. It is, I'm going to stick with a size 2. Beautiful blister pearl. All sterling. A lot of it is branded. I didn't go over all that with you. I just wanted to show you the quick haul, and that I did get some smaller size jewelry pieces in. Since the last jewelry auction I did, I had a lot of requests for smaller sizes. I'm still working on grabbing more, so bear with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.